I'm always happy when the representatives from Catalonia come to Slovenia. They can see with their own eyes that the sympathies of Slovenian nation, of Slovenian public, is on the side of Catalonia and on the right of the self-determination of any small nation in Europe. I'm sure that Europe would be better if the flag of Catalonia would be one of the member states of European Union. But let's not dream. Let's fight for it. Let's fight for understanding. Let's support all progressive reforms in the countries who are the member countries of European Union, and even in Spain. There should be more empathy for expectation of Catalan people based upon their culture, history and potential.